Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to allow checklist for the task. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here module Dev task checklist. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to project app, go to configuration menu and see here the separate menu import task checklist. Now click on and upload here your file. Now import checklist. Now go to task checklist and see here these four are imported here. Development for new stage, bug fixing in progress and testing in done stage. Now go to task, go to anyone like office design and see here this checklist. Display here all development, bug fixing, testing and installation. Now I want to move this task into in progress. And see here this validation. Below checklist must filled in order to move further development because here already said development for new stage. So first allow this and now move into in progress. So easily move into in progress after allow this development. Now move into done. So again display this validation for bug fixing because here bug fixing set for in progress. So now allow this. Let's save. Now again move in done. So easily move into done stage. And also display here 50% because total available here 4 and 2 is allowed. So display here half. Now go to list view and also display here 50% for this office design. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.